Welcome to Animal a Day. 10 Yorkshire Terrier Facts. The Incredible Honking Dog. 1. Yorkshire Terriers, also called Yorkies, are a very small dog breed first developed in, you guessed it, Yorkshire, England. 2. These tiny dogs only grow to about 7 to 8 inches or 18 to 20 centimeters tall and weigh about 7 pounds or 3 kilograms. 3. It's a very popular breed of dog, with it ranking 6th most dog owned in the US. 4. It's thought to contain genes from Scottish Terriers, Maltese, Skye Terriers, and Dandie Dinmonts. 5. Despite having the ability to grow long coats, they don't shed very much. This makes them more hypoallergenic than other breeds. 6. They were initially developed to be rodent-catching dogs in the 1800s. Their small size helped them reach rats easier than bigger dog breeds. 7. One of the most important dogs to the breed was a Yorkie named Huddersfield Ben. He lived in the late 1800s and became famous after winning many competitions. Lots of people then wanted his offspring, so he fathered a lot of puppies. A large number of Yorkshire Terriers alive today are his descendants. 8. Yorkshire Terriers are prone to several genetic disorders like Distichiae, Corneal Ulcers, Tracheal Collapse, and Portosystemic Shunt. 9. Tracheal collapse affects their throat and can cause them to make an unusual honking sound while sneezing or coughing. 10. 2 U.S. presidential families kept Yorkshire Terriers, being Richard Nixon and Donald Trump. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily animal videos.